I've been advised is that the materials that you are going to be dealing with pertaining to the aesthetics criterion, so I'm assuming that would include your aesthetic report, the memorandum / letter that constituted your reply comments, and maybe some pictures. Those materials would need to be moved into evidence today.
Okay.
The rest of your materials are not needed because the board is going to consider those just on the record, on the administrative record of your file.
Right. Okay.
Would you need my responses to Dave's questions?
The discovery.
Not discovery, but
Yeah.
just your testimony and the exhibits that you attach to your testimony.
Okay, just the pre-file, which I have to
Ms.
pay
Martin's
for.
covered on that, she's given it to the group already.
Excellent. Okay. So is that workable for you, or is that going to cause a problem?
If you're asking me if I have hard copies to hand to the court reporter right now, I don't have hard copies of what we have already submitted to the board
Okay.
right now. We have copies of the same report, but it isn't exactly the same as what we put into evidence because it doesn't have the West 4, Cambridge 4, blah, 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 so it's not identical. So we can submit them electronically. If I can email them to you, I can submit them now.
Print them up, and I think the court reporter needs paper copies.
Or I can print them up and have them to you by tomorrow. It's entirely up to you guys.
What would you prefer? Do you care if he sends them to me?
We're gonna be referring, excuse me. We're gonna be referring just to the reports. He's not gonna be, reading from them or referencing them in any, excuse me, in any significant way. They're the ones that were submitted. We can move them into evidence. Jeannie, you've seen them. You know what the reports are. They're the same reports as the board has. We can move those into evidence and then have them marked. I can print them up. Where are your offices?
Well, I'm over in Burlington, but usually if it comes in later, it goes to the clerk's office, and then they let me know that I need to go up there and mark them and take care of them officially there. So
Okay.
I'd probably have you send them directly to Judy.
Yeah, I would send them directly to Judy as well, but let me just check, does the department object to that, or? are you-
No. I should have thought that I could help figure some of this out ahead of time, but
I just assumed that because they'd already been submitted with part of the petition, which this is part of a hearing, that we didn't need to